Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a medium-level problem called number of smooth descent periods of a stock. It sounds a bit like finance, but don't worry, it's really just about finding patterns in a list of numbers. The core of this problem is efficiently counting subarrays that follow a specific rule. We'll break it down step by step, starting with the logic and then moving to the code. Here is the problem description. We are given a list of integers representing the daily price history of a stock. Our goal is to count the number of smooth descent periods. Now, the definition is crucial here. A smooth descent period consists of one or more contiguous days where the price on each day is exactly one less than the price on the previous day. Also, a single day by itself always counts as a smooth descent period. Let's clarify exactly what counts as a smooth descent. The rule is strict. Today's price must be exactly 1 unit lower than yesterday's price. If it's 2 units lower, or if it stays the same or goes up, the streak breaks. Crucially, the problem asks for the number of periods. This means we count every possible valid subsegment. In a sequence like 3, 2, 1, we have the individual days, the pairs like 3, 2 and 2, 1, and the full triplet 3, 2, 1. We need to find the total count of all these valid chunks. Let's walk through an example to see the pattern. Suppose our prices are 3, 2, 1, 4. We iterate day by day. On the first day, with price 3, the only period ending there is the day itself. So that's 1. On the next day, the price is 2. Since 2 is 1 less than 3, we have a smooth descent. This means we have the single day period 2, and we can extend the previous period to form 3, 2. That's 2 periods ending on this day. On the third day, the price is 1. It continues the pattern. So we have the day itself, plus the extension of the previous 2 valid periods. That gives us 3 periods ending here. Finally, on the fourth day, the price is 4. This breaks the rule. We reset. The only valid period ending here is the day itself. If we sum up the counts, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, we get our total answer, 7. Just a quick heads up. We'll be walking through the solution using Python, but don't worry if that's not your main language. I'll be showing the full code for other popular languages like Java, C++, and JavaScript towards the end of the video. The logic remains exactly the same across all of them. So how do we solve this efficiently? We can't check every possible subarray because that would be too slow, specifically quadratic time. Instead, we use a dynamic programming approach. The trick is to ask one simple question for each day. How many smooth descent periods end right here? If the price drops smoothly from yesterday, then every valid period that ended yesterday can be extended to include today. Plus, we start a new period consisting of just today. So the count for today is simply yesterday's count plus 1. If the price doesn't drop smoothly, the streak is broken, and the count resets to 1, representing just the current day. We just need to keep a running total of these daily counts. Okay, we've talked about the big picture and the logic. Now let's see what this looks like as actual code. I'll put the full solution up on the screen first. And don't worry, after that, we'll walk through the most important sections together. Alright, here's the Python code. We're implementing the optimized dynamic programming approach. Notice we don't even need a full array to store the history. Since today only depends on yesterday, we can just use a single integer variable to track the previous day's count. Let's break this down further.